Hello everybody, and welcome to week 4 of dividend investing. We're currently at $400 invested total with a $30.76 profit, weekly change of $2.42, so not that much, but still better than negative, so we're doing good. We've invested into USOI and PBR for our new tickers for this week, and we've invested $100 into those collectively. As you can see, we actually have two new charts here that I'll be diving into in just a moment here, but I wanted to show you the investment portfolio on Robinhood as a whole, and you can see all of our stocks here as they are growing. So that's currently what they are worth, and then total return for each one with their percentages is here as well. So it's kind of awesome to see that ARR has grown 30% since we invested, and ORC 22% since we invested, which is honestly outstanding. So we get to see all of that. And then you can also see my other portfolio options here, right? We got Tesla, Doge, BTC, Shiba, and Link. But those are for just my overall portfolio. They don't give any dividend investment, so they're not part of this $100 a week series. So that being said, let's go ahead and go back to over here. Let me show you the new Google Sheet that we added on. I got a lot of these ideas, the knowledge to build this from Dividendology. I'll put his link down below in the description, but he's the one who showed me specifically how to build up this Google Sheet. And so with that knowledge, I also used a little bit of Google as well to fine-tune some things, but here we are. So how this works is we put in the stock choice here, we put in the amount of shares that I own here, and the total cost that I've put into that stock. So this will include, like, if I buy 20 shares, but I bought them in a bunch of 5, and another bunch of 5, and another bunch of 10 for 3 times, but I only put $100 in it total, that's how much it'll show. I only put $100 in cost. This way we can actually track our dividend returns as well, because over time, as our dividends automatically reinvest, our cost isn't going to change. It's going to be the same, but our shares will go up in value. So over time, AGNC might double in like 2 years, right? So as a result, we're going to have 12 shares for a total of a 52% profit, right? Just as an example, just something to look forward to for me personally. Also, another thing is that we are showing the industries here so that we can see how much we're investing into where. And so we can see, real estate here is definitely the biggest with the 54.2% of our dividend portfolio. And which kind of makes sense because real estate is kind of the biggest thing at this time that's giving high returns. We got a 24% here, 24% here, and then a 16% here and these are all real estate based companies, and they're got, like I said, high returns in comparison everywhere else. You got O ticker, which is at 5.71% real estate, which is pretty standard for like high name brand companies that are doing returns, because typically when you go and do a quick Google search on, quick YouTube search on like what's the best or what's the highest dividend paying stocks, you're going to get a lot of name brand companies, a lot of big companies, but they're all going to recommend anywhere from 3 to 5% as like the high dividend payment. So these are the ones I found that are high payments, but not that, I guess, notorious, or just not that recommended, because these values could go down over time, right? But since I've started investing, these are values that I've been investing in. So that being said, you just fill in these 3 values here, and then everything else will autofill. So show as an example, we'll put in Tesla. Let's say I bought 1 share, or actually, we can do this accurately. I bought 4 shares, and I spent $824 at the time, right? So it fills out the rest for me. Currently, I'm at $142 profit as a result, with a 14% return on profits. Obviously, no dividends or yields because they don't produce anything in that categories. And then we have the industry name is going to be consumer cyclical. No idea what that means. And then you can see these charts here are updated by themselves as well. It did not update my industry one, so I think I have to fix this up a bit. There we go. That looks a lot better. All right, so now we have all the values popping up correctly, and then I'll have to fix this up as well. But that's for that. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, comment, like, subscribe for more. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know. I'll see you all in the next one. Adios. Have a fantabulous day. Peace.